what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regrets. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regrets. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regrets.
Let's say I let you call me baby. Let's say I let you hold my hand. Let's say I let you stay for coffee in the morning, cause you spent the night right next to me. Let's say I let you buy me dinner. Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy, nothing but a city boy. So what? Not now. Nothing but a city boy. Let's say I miss you when I'm tipsy. Let's say I think about you once or twice. Let's say I want you to want me. Maybe someday you feel the way I do. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no.
said, hey, as you stopped me just a second away from all the pain. You told me if I leave, then no one gains. And it feels like you smashed me with a hammer. I'm ready to see we fell apart. I'm ready to believe you have a heart. And then you said, hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. Hey, you found me like in fiction, but I'm ready to see we're both a part of it. Could be the start of it, cause I know you're the missing piece of puzzle. You're the queen of my car, still you're in my heart, heart. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. Oh, I'm feeling the wind. There's a storm coming in to break it tonight. Oh, but I'm sure we will win. Pushing in, oh, tonight. You said, hey, as you stopped me just a second away from all the pain. You told me if I leave, then no one gains. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. Dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again.
You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like oh na na, yeah. Like oh na 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 na. Like oh na na, yeah. When you're around, I know I hardly speak. You got me now, oh baby. You make it so hard for a guy like me, rocking those hips like nobody. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like oh na na, yeah. Still waiting for the time to pass you by. You're out of my league, but maybe if I just get my act together right, I've got your moment just right. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like oh na 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like oh na na, yeah. I can't hold it no longer. I can't hold it no longer. I can't control it. You're in my skin. I'm moving closer with every beat. I can't control it. You're everything. To feel your heartbeat.
Hello everyone, thanks so much for sticking around toward the end of the video. I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from this shoot with Rosina, and I'm using the 35 F1.4 Mark II for this shoot. So let's get started. This is the VSCO app for the editing. So I'm just gonna do some quick edits. So I'm gonna use the HB2 as the base of the editing, and I'm going to reduce slightly a little bit more of the exposure, highlight save, and then sharpen in a little bit more toward here. So as you can see that the HB2 has nice contrast in here. I'm going to crop it, slightly rotate, just make sure it is perpendicular to the ground. Keep some more room in here. So there are two kinds of editing you can use for this composition. You can do it like this, or let me show you another way. You can position the body on the right third of the frame, so that the because the face is facing toward the left side, so you get more room on the left side. So it depends how you want to play with it. You can just play with this one. The same happened to this one, so let me edit using the same similar edit setting. So just increase the contrast a little bit more, and then sharpening a little bit more. Just 4:5 crop, and then this one I'm gonna position the body toward the right third area and slightly rotate a little bit, just to make sure the shadow is in the same frame line as well. So yeah, that's before and after. So save this one, and then the next one is from the museum, and then let's use the same consistent, but this time I'm gonna give about 50% of the filter, and then tone, and then sharpening, slightly reduce the exposure a little bit, not too much, because the lighting is pretty good already. So we can save a full length first, and then save another one with the 4:5 crop for Instagram. The full length one you can use it for stories purpose, and the Instagram crop you can use it for the Instagram post. So after this one, I'm gonna just copy and then paste it to all of them, and then let me do a quick crop in here, and then save it. And if you want to do a full crop also, so just do a full width, just in case you want to post in the story. And then next one, so this one, just make sure it is perpendicular to the ground, slightly rotate a little bit to the left, and then crop it like that, and then save it. And then the last one, so the last one is the full body shots. And as you can see that the 35 F1.4 Mark II has more context of the environment. It has the right amount of the bokeh in the back, so it creates a nice context of the environment where the portraits are in. So it's easy to use the leading line for this type of portrait as well. So yep, these are the quick edits of this couple of the photos. And yeah, and thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.